how to add captions on TikTok videos. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add captions on TikTok videos. It is a very simple and easy process. Firstly, open TikTok app. After opening TikTok, tap on the plus icon from the bottom panel to go to your recording page. Now just to show you guys, I'm gonna record a small video. Once the video has been recorded, tap on the red tick icon. In the editing page, at the right panel, you will see different kind of options. Tap on this option to edit your video. At the bottom panel of your editing page, tap on the captions option. Now auto caption will be provided for your video. As you can see here, I had said, "Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel," and that has been captioned. Now on this process, the longer the video, the more time it will take to generate caption. You can also customize these captions. If you tap on them, then you can customize the animation. Along with that, you can even customize the font, colors, and many more. If you want to manually type the caption, then remove this caption. From the bottom panel, select text, and now you can begin typing. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.